Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to be going over how to add a white outline effect to your YouTube thumbnails. You might want this if you want your thumbnail to sort of pop out more and to have more people click on your video. And so let's just get right into it. The first thing you want to do is to pull up Canva, go to the YouTube thumbnail template, and then I like to add a dark background just so it's easier to see. Next, you want to go to Uploads to pull up the picture that you want to add the outline to. So it's this one for me. Make this one right side up. Next, you want to click on the image, click Edit Image, and then go to Shadows. This one comes up in my recently used, but you can just go all the way down to Shadows. Then make sure to click on Glow. Once you click on that, click on it again, and then you can sort of edit this as you want. So you can set the background to white. I usually set the blur to 0 so it becomes a solid outline. And I make the transparency 100. You can play with the size right here. You can change the color. Something I also did for a recent video is to, what did I do? I increased the blur so it sort of adds this like cool glow effect. Once you've completed your outline, just copy it onto your thumbnail, resize it, make sure to put it in a good place, and then that's it. Actually, something that I also realized is this option to use shadows and glow is actually an old version of Canva. And so for me, when I first did it, I actually was given the option to, it asked me if I wanted to pull up the old version of Canva. And so if it asks you, make sure to click on it because I don't think this is available with the newer version. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.